Yeah, Cheddar Boys. Yeah, that's what we do, nigga. Get money, these niggas hate this money.
Y'all know what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Good man, aka Mr. Grounds, man. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Get Money Mafia family. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with my boy HENN, fresh out black. You know what I'm saying? We go down, man.
Back on the street. This what's up.
Yeah, what it is.
Man, kill that bullshit, bitch. They just told us to jump out right there around the corner, bitch. Bitch, you gonna make me bust in your ass and just burn the hoe. So fuck away from the trap, bitch.
When the streets hot, it's time to take a time out. Chill, don't wild out. They riding on every block. When the streets hot, it's time to take a time out. Let's close the trap house. Let's
Get into it, man. Look at self, you know what I'm saying? Represent this Get Money Mafia shit. Get Money Mafia family, man. Coming soon to a hood near you. This ain't just about just no black shit. It's deeper than that shit, you know what I'm saying? It's deeper than all that shit. We're gonna take it where it's supposed to go. It started, but everybody know it started right here. This way it started, this way it originated on Look at Self Corner. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to South Bank, you know what I'm saying? Get Money Mafia family out there. Shout out to Trip, you know what I'm saying? Get Money Mafia niggas out there. You know what I'm saying? It's expanded more. Dog City, Dot Dollar, what's happening? You know what I'm saying? KLICK getting thick, man. About to take this shit and run states with it. Catch us in Miami at the end of May. Warrior Day. We gonna be there. Lord say the same.
It's time to take a time out. Let's close the trap house. Let's ride and get high. When the streets hot, it's time to take a time out. Chill, don't wild out. They riding on every block. When the streets hot, it's time to take a time out. Let's close the trap house. Let's ride and get high. In a plain white t-shirt, fresh from the corner store. Corner office CEO. What I need a suit for? Honeymoon brother, only fuck him on the first night. Second night shit broke. In the third night I'm out of sight. Run on grown trees. What I told the bitch all night. South Beach, Florida trip, baby had her juices right, baby had her pussy tight. Tryna fuck a star in the club, she was the groupie type, looking for some money,